Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how you can trade on new high and new low with candlestick psychology. So let's start. This is new low. I will go with sellers. I place lower option here because the trend is downtrend and the sellers movement with new low. You can see the old low. We can see the old low, the old low. Now this is new low. This is sign the seller will still go more down from this level. That's why I place lower option. I think I'll only take 4 trade here. Go to place call option. I place call option here because we have new high above previous high. We still have high. Actually this is the highest high here, the highest high, but this new high, this is another new high, is above this previous high, the minor high. The trend also is uptrend, so we should expect buyer's entry on the next candle. This is also a Margozu candle, so that's why I place call option. Okay, ATM. No, not this there. Okay, I think there's no new low, so I'll go with buyers because there's no new low and the trend also is uptrend. This gave me ATM because of my entry. Okay, so let's check this out. We can see the hold low here, so if sellers create a new low here, we go with sellers. And the market is not good. We can see doji candlestick and Margozu. Okay, I can see, okay, it's not new low, it's not new low, so sellers will still enter again. I place lower option here because this is not new low. Why I say it's not new low is because if you look on the left side, we have old low, we have old low here, we have old low here as well, we have old low. So definitely this is another low, but not new low. It's not new low below previous low, so definitely we should expect sellers entry, not buyers. We should expect sellers entry, though it's not new low, but we should expect sellers entry. We can take this as low, the buyer's entry point. So it's not new low because we have old low. It's still above the old low, but we must expect sellers entry. So I think this will be my last trade. Okay, here we have highs, but actually this is the, okay, no new high. There's no new high here, so let's see if we can see new low here. If you check here, we have new low here. So let's see what's going to happen to this candle. And there's a round number here, but the round number at 106.52. okay, I think it's creating low. We have low here. So I'm going to place call option here. I place call option here because there's no new low. It's the same level with the previous low. It's on the same level with the previous low. This low I'm talking about, and this low as well. So it's on the same level with the previous low. Definitely there's no chance for sellers to enter. So that's why I place call option. Okay, so I took final 4 trades. I think 5 trade. One is ATM. So let's see what's going to happen here. So I will stop trading for now, then I will explain some things to you. Okay, so I took 5 trades. One is ATM. Okay, so when we are talking about new low, new high, new low is seller's entry point, buyer's entry point, while new high is seller's entry point. Like this is new high. Already is new high below, is new high above previous high. We have high here. I'm coming. We have high, we have high, we have high. So that means the buyers are creating new high above the old high. So these are the old high, while this is new high. So definitely a sign the buyer will still enter the gate. So if the market is creating new high and new low, it doesn't mean that the market is going to continue. Most of the time it will reverse, or it depends on how the market is moving, how the analysis or how the kind of situation you find the market. So right now here, if you see reason why I place put option here, because of this new low. If you observe the market, you will see that after the buyers went up, sellers went down, buyers went up, sellers came down again. When the sellers are coming down, they are creating lows. These are the old lows. They are creating lows. Now the buyers went up again. Now sellers come down again. They first create a new low here. This is hammer candlestick above previous old low, below previous old low. Now the sellers create a new low here. They create a new low here below previous low, a sign that the seller will still form a bearish candle in the direction of this 1-2 movement. So I lost this trade because of this new high. I lost this trade because of my entry. I placed call option because of this new high. We have high here, we have high, we have high, we have high. So there's a new high above previous high. The trend also is uptrend. Definitely buyers will enter on the next candle, but I didn't win the trade. I didn't lose it. Look at this one. You might still count this at new low, but consider what happened previously. We have so many lows here. Old low, we have low, we have low, we have low here, we have low here as well. But this new one is not below the old low. It's still above. So you can still count it as new low, but not this kind of situation you work as a new low completely. But I know the seller will still enter this kind of situation. So that's why I placed lower option, not because of the new low. And I placed call option here because there's no new low to go with sellers. There's no new low. This is the previous low, but there's no new low. It's the same level. So buyers will still enter in the direction of the trend. And I place call option here because still there's no new low. We have low here, we have low, we have low. So there's no new low. So buyers will definitely enter because we can see some buyers movement. So that's why I place call option. Okay, when you are trading, you have to observe the candle, you have to observe the market. I will explain to you why am I saying this low, why am I choosing as low and this one as low. I will explain to you in my next video. So if you like my video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.